Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review with you, written by one of our valued customers. It just never gets old when our customers post these types of experiences online. We take pride in knowing we are making our customers happy. It makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day while growing our customer base. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.